Hello guys, and welcome to the third Ceilfire video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to spawn enemies and how to make them explode when they come into contact with one of your missiles. Firstly, we need a prototype of the object that we want to spawn. I have already created this prototype. It is this asteroid that can be seen down here. And now we need to create the spawning rule. Selecting the game object, we open the event editor, create a new rule and call it spawn asteroid. New condition will be that we spawn an object every 1000 milliseconds. And the action involves the game creating an object of the type asteroid, and the X position should be randomly selected, and the value should be between 50 and 750. The Y position should be fixed at the top of the map, so we select 60. Now we can try it. And asteroids get spawned in random positions at the top of the map. However, that is kind of boring and we would enjoy the asteroids moving. So once again we open the event editor and we will make a new rule called accelerate asteroids. New condition will be that every 100 milliseconds we will set the velocity of the asteroid object. We select set velocity y, and we will set the value to 175. We can try it once again. And now we see the asteroids getting spawned and moving toward the player ship. Now we also want the asteroids to explode when we shoot them, so we will select our weapon object, open the event editor and create a new rule that we will call destroy asteroid. The new condition will be that the object collides with an object of type asteroid, and the action will involve the asteroid being destroyed and the missile to become destroyed too. We can try it one more time. And we see that the asteroids get destroyed when we shoot the missile at them. Now we see that it looks kind of boring if one of those asteroids gets destroyed, and I think we should add some nice explosion for this. So we will find a proper explosion and we will load it as a spreadsheet. Then we have to adjust the number of rows and columns so the grid will fit nicely onto the individual parts of the animation. Okay, should be fine like this. Now the explosion has been loaded as a spreadsheet, and we can create a new object of the type explosion by dragging the explosion into the game. We should adjust the size, however. Okay, now we can switch to the Objects tab and select the explosion object that we just created and give it a proper name. And then we select it and open the animation editor. And here we just click on New. And this will create a new animation using the pre-selected grid area. Alright, now let us select the weapon object and open the event editor. And we will add a new action to the destroy asteroid rule. And yeah, what do we have to do? We have to take the position of the asteroid and spawn a new object there, which will have the type explosion and then we want to play the animation of the explosion. And the animation was called animation 0. Let's try it out once more. And we see the explosion animation playing. Okay, now we only need to add the cool explosion sound. In this example I have already created an explosion sound object. So the only thing left to do is selecting the weapon object of the player and opening the event editor. And then we add a new action to the destroy asteroid rule, which will involve the explosion to start playing. And we can try it. And it's working fine. Okay, this was the third part of the Ceilfire video tutorial series. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see us next time.